AI agents are starting to do real jobs. Imagine waking up one day to find your new coworker never sleeps, never takes a break, never forgets a task, and can handle hundreds of jobs at once. It sounds like science fiction, but it is slowly becoming part of the business world. That coworker is an AI agent. For years, most people have used AI like a chatbot. You ask a question, and it gives an answer. You ask it to write an email, summarize a document, or explain something complicated. But after getting the answer, you still have to do the actual work yourself. The AI agents are different. Instead of simply giving information, they are designed to take action. That is why businesses are paying serious attention. Think about the difference between asking someone how to do something and asking them to do it for you. A chatbot tells you the steps. An AI agent follows those steps, collects information, uses different software, and completes parts of the task. Imagine you own a small online store and receive hundreds of customer messages every day. One customer wants to know where their order is. Another wants to change an address. Someone else wants to return a product. Normally, employees open every message, understand the problem, search for information, and send a response. Now imagine an AI agent handling the first part of that process. It reads the message, understands the request, checks order information, and gives a response for simple cases. If the problem is complicated, it sends the conversation to a human employee. The employee is still there, but no longer spends the whole day answering the same basic questions. That is the big idea behind AI agents. They are not just designed to talk. They are designed to work through a process. An agent can be connected to different tools and systems. It may read a database, check a calendar, update a record, organize information, send an email, or move data from one system to another. In simple words, it receives a goal and tries to complete the steps needed to reach it. Consider a company where new customers fill out forms on the website, but the sales team is sometimes too busy to respond quickly. Some leads wait for hours, others until the next day, and some simply move on to a competitor. An AI agent could change that. The moment a new lead arrives, it can read the information, send a personalized response, ask a few basic questions, organize the answers, and notify the right salesperson when the customer is ready. The business responds faster, without forcing anyone to constantly watch the inbox. This is why businesses care. Every company has repetitive work. Employees copy information between systems, answer the same questions again and again, send follow-up emails, organize spreadsheets, schedule appointments, and update records. Individually, these tasks seem small, but across thousands of repetitions, they consume enormous time, and time is expensive. Every hour spent on repetitive work is an hour not spent help customers or improving the business. AI agents matter because they can absorb more of this repetitive load. That does not mean replacing every employee with software. The real opportunity is changing how work gets done. Imagine a marketing employee who spends 3 hours each morning gathering information from different websites and preparing a report. An agent could collect and organize that data automatically, leaving the employee free to interpret it and make better decisions. The repetitive part shrinks while the human part becomes more valuable. Now, picture a real estate company. Buyers and renters send messages daily asking about properties. Some are serious, some are just curious, and some stop responding after one message. An agent could answer basic questions, collect budget and preference details, suggest options, and help schedule a viewing. When the customer is ready for a deeper conversation, a human agent takes over, focusing only on the interactions that truly need experience and personal attention. So how do these agents actually work? First, the agent receives a goal, such as helping customers book an appointment. Then it receives information. A customer says they want to schedule a meeting. The agent interprets the request, decides what action is needed, perhaps checking a calendar or offering available times, and uses a connected tool to complete the next step. Instead of one question and one answer, it moves through multiple steps toward a finished task. This power also creates new problems. When AI takes action, mistakes carry more weight. A strange chatbot answer can be ignored, but an agent connected to email, calendars, or customer databases can cause real damage if it sends the wrong message or uses outdated information. Businesses should not connect AI to everything at once. The smarter approach is starting with simple, low-risk, repeatable tasks whose results can be checked, rather than handing over major financial decisions immediately. Traditional automation follows rigid rules. If this happens, then do that. Real life rarely fits neat patterns. Since customers phrase the same request in countless different ways, AI understands language more flexibly, recognizing that differently worded messages often mean the same thing. This is why AI agents are especially useful for businesses drowning in messages, documents, and unorganized information. Most business owners do not want to become AI experts. They simply want fewer missed appointments and less repetitive work. This creates opportunity for people who understand automation to sell outcomes rather than technology. Not an AI agent, but faster responses so fewer customers are forgotten. Small teams could specialize in one industry problem, then adapt the same system across similar companies. Will AI agents replace jobs? The honest answer is complicated. Purely repetitive tasks may become automated, but most jobs involve far more than one task. A customer service employee also handles unusual problems and frustrated customers. A manager also makes decisions and takes responsibility when things go wrong. AI may help with parts of a job without replacing the person entirely. The future is less about humans versus AI and more about humans working alongside it. Much like when computers first entered workplaces and eventually became a normal expected skill, businesses are already experimenting with AI across customer service, sales, research, marketing, and operations. Not every experiment will succeed, and human judgment will always matter. But the direction is clear. AI is moving from answering questions to helping complete tasks. Companies that benefit most will not automate everything overnight. They will find one repetitive problem, Test a solution, measure whether it saves time, and expand only after it works. For the average person, understanding AI agents is becoming a genuinely valuable skill, whether that means improving a small task at work or building a service around common problem. The real story is not that robots are taking over every job. It is that work itself is changing. Businesses that learn to use AI effectively may gain a real advantage, not because they employ fewer people, but because their people spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time on judgment, relationships, and decisions. The most valuable skill going forward may not be competing with AI, but learning how to work with it well. None of this happens overnight. Systems need testing, mistakes need correcting, and people need time to trust new tools before relying on them for anything important. But the pattern is already visible in companies large and small, and it will likely keep spreading. Businesses that experiment now, carefully and with clear goals, will probably be best prepared for what comes next. AI agents are simply the newest chapter in an old story about people finding better ways to work together. IT is also worth remembering that every major shift in technology has followed a similar pattern. When the internet first arrived, many businesses were unsure how to use it, and some assumed it was simply a passing trend. A few years later, having a website was no longer optional. When smartphones became common, companies had to rethink how customers reached them, how orders were placed, and how support was delivered. AI agents may follow the same path. Today, many businesses are still experimenting, unsure exactly how much to trust automated systems with real decisions. In a few years, using some form of AI assistance may feel just as normal as using email or a spreadsheet feels today. There is also a personal side to this shift that deserves attention. Employees who learn to work alongside AI agents, rather than seeing them purely as competition, may find themselves more valuable, not less. Someone who understands how to set up an agent, monitor its results, correct its mistakes, and improve its instructions becomes a bridge between technology and the business. That kind of skill is unlikely to disappear anytime soon, because someone will always need to make sure the automated system is actually doing what the business intended. In many ways, learning to manage AI agents responsibly could become as normal a workplace skill as learning to use spreadsheets or email once was for entrepreneurs and small business owners. The lesson is similar. Instead of waiting for a perfect, fully automated solution, it often makes more sense to start with one small, clearly defined problem. Pick a task that happens often, follows a fairly predictable pattern, and produces a result that is easy to check for accuracy. Build a simple agent for that one task. Watch how it performs over a few weeks, and only then decide whether to expand it further. This cautious, step-by-step approach tends to produce far better long-term results than trying to automate an entire business overnight. And it also gives employees time to adjust and build trust in the new system.